Got this handle in here. It took a lot of changes to that assembly, that latch assembly into the door. But anyways, it works. I don't have a brace behind it. It's just like a temporary fit. But just to give you an idea. So it works, and it's completely different than the way the Maverick is. The Maverick pulls up on the lever, and the handles for the 71 through 73 Mustang push down, so I had to change everything on it. But I got it all figured out, and it's looking more and more like a Falcon. Talk to you later.